Welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Diva Walk and Trust and Press game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First, you're going to go to this post menu and you're going to go to the wall packs and go to the shop, and you'll be able to purchase the Diva Walk Pack from here, guys. And it costs 8k pink cash. And I'm going to show you how the Diva Walk looks like. You're going to click on view if you want to see the preview. This is for the idol, and this is for the Diva Walk. And my pink cash is still not enough, guys, so I need to farm it first because it's quite pricey, but it's worth. As you can see, it's so cool. And if you want to equip the walk pack, just go to the walk pack menu right here. After you purchase the Diva walk pack, the Diva walk pack will appear right here, and then you're going to select it and you can choose the walk. For now, I'm just going to choose the phrasing walk. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. And okay, guys, that's how you can get the Diva Walk and Trust and Press game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.